What's up? Are we going back to 17K? That is the question. What up? Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Shout out to all you guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you for tuning in. Back to 17K. Happy holidays. Can we get the Christmas pump that we're all talking about, or will we go to the basement and burn Bitcoin down to the ground? Well, that's what we're here to answer. I think we can figure that out. Right now, I am in a short from 17.3, and I am in a long from 16.4, I believe. Well, we're schlonging, and we're getting it done today, and we're making that bank. Now, we'll talk about how we got into the long. We'll talk about what to expect, where we're going to go, and how we're going to do it. So first off, why did we get into this long? If we're on the 4 hour right here, we can see that we've had a swift move down. Oh, my God. And then a wee, we'll call it. But yes, we've come down. We faked out everybody. This is the value area low that we had marked out on our charts. If you watch this channel, you will get these levels and you will be able to trade them with confluence, because we come in with a plan every single day, daily updates. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. We love you. Come join us in the Discord. Link in the description down below. We like to talk a lot of smack, but we also like to secure the bag. So please come out and join us and let me try to help you become a profitable, good trader. Everything is free. I share what I do on a daily basis. So let's jump into the charts and look how I got into this trade. Well, I had these levels marked out, friends. And look, if you're a part of the Otter Gang, you know that I give you the price targets, the squares around the price targets, and where I'm thinking price is going. I try to feed you with daily updates throughout the day. You know, today I was like this guy. I was at work, right? And I'm vacuuming the floor. And I was hiding from the boss, and I kept checking the price, and I kept watching it. And then I entered a long, because we've had some good price action today for a beautiful Monday for you guys and a Tuesday for me. So I've been waiting for this. And look, we're getting a little move down. But how did I get into this long? Well, I'll double click on my chart, pull up market Cipher B, and you can look at here on the 4 hour chart, we are getting something called a bullish divergence. Now, I want to share that I got into a long. What's going on here? I got into a long as well. There's dots on my chart now. But I got into a long as well a bit early. Now, if I zoom into here, right? I don't think I've ever used this before. If I zoom into here, you can see, whoa, okay. I'm not using that tool again. If I zoom into here, I'll tell you I got into a long. Where did I get into a long? I got into a long over here. And we came up and then we crashed, right? Now I've already been in a short. I got into a long here. I took profit early, moved my stop loss up into break even. I took I think it was a $1.20 loss, right? That's risk management. Boom, it dumps on us, right? What am I looking for? It came down to this value area low level. I had this marked out on a chart. If you look at the charts from yesterday, you can see that I had this marked out. Bada bing, bada boom. I was off by like less than 20 bucks. So look, we came down, we hit it, and I jumped into a long over here just so I had confidence that I was coming back up. And guess what? We shot back up. But we had that beautiful, beautiful bullish divergence. Now, I thought that was going to be here. I thought this was, if I go on the 2 hour, I believe it's on the 2 hour that I saw it. If I go on the 2 hour, I go over to here. Now, from here to here, this is where I took it from before. Was it on the 2 hour? Yes, it was on the 2 hour, but it didn't curve up. See, I missed the point that where it curves up and it gives you the indication that it's confirmed. Curve up with the green dot. I was hasty. I rushed it, but I had good risk management, so I didn't take too much of a loss, right? This one, I waited till we got the green dot here on the second candle that we can see here, and I was able to ride this up, take profits all the way at 16,850. I took profits. So I hit this wick. It was very, very juicy. And I'm still in that trade right now. I've taken profits, but I'm going to see if it continues upwards. So those are the two trades I've taken today. That is how I got into them. Now, where are we going to go, right? So we have these things marked out. Well, we had, look at all the hits we got on all this. Bing, 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 right? So We also got many hits over here. Have we flipped it into support? No, we have not. So we'll zoom in here. We'll look at the charts. And where do we think we're going to go? Well, I said 17K is a very important level, right? This one right here. Look, I got a box right there. Why is that? Because if I pull a fib from the top here to the bottom here, we got beautiful confluence. Beautiful confluence throughout, right? So I should also draw this in. Wow, I can't believe I didn't have this drawn in. So we got beautiful confluence throughout. Where am I looking to go from here? I'm looking to go upwards. We can have a slight retracement, but it looks like that we have gone to the top of this range that we have been trading in the past couple days, right? So I'm going to take that box off for now. We came up to the point of control, which we mark out every single day. If you're not marking out your point of control, remember that we've been trading in the same range for quite a long time, right? So we are over here. We zoom in. We pull. I like to pull the fixed range volume profile from the first wick before the drop. That's on the drop. See? Wrong one. I pull it from before the drop. This one. All the way through. Bingo, bango. We got our areas, right? So our point of control is actually dropped way down now. Down to here. So I had it labeled here. We'll delete that. Boom. And we'll relabel this one POC. Caps locks, because it's important, right? So this is where we are. These are the levels I've pulled, right? So we have, if we continue upwards, we can continue up to here. We'll do this on the 1 hour so it's more clear for the lower time frames, right? So I've pulled a fib for there. I've pulled a fib for here. Oopsie. And I've pulled levels previous. So we give these levels every single day. So make sure you come and tune in. Don't forget to like the video because, you know, we value you and we want you to come and hang out with us and we can go, oh boy, what's going on? Because we had this bear sentiment. We thought we were going to go for new lows, but we never got it. And now we got a fake out to the bottom that we talked about on the video yesterday. We had this big fake out, right? Wick up. Now we've had a wick up and now we've come back to this level of support, right? So what do I see? I see a reversal. Not a full reversal. We've come down to the value area low, right? So what does that mean? That means we typically stay around the point of control or we work our way back up from the point of control all the way to the value area high, right? We're in this range. So we got to keep trading this range. I'll tell you, all of my trades are from level to level to level to level. So if we can stay above this area right here and work our way back up in a pattern such as this, if we come here, bounce off the bottom here and work our way back up and then have a full retracement with a wick up here and then back down, I think that makes sense. Now, this is before the holiday season, so remember, Merry Christmas. Love you all. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining me on a daily basis and all your love and support. I really appreciate it. But the volume is going to be lower because people are on holiday. People aren't trading as much. The volume will be lower. So if we look at the volume here, yes, we got some volume on this push up. But was it that much? No. You can see a steady decline. You can see a steady decline in this volume, right? That's very easy to see, right? And this will only continue. We will have these hard to trade ranges that are very short, right? And then boom, we get dumped on. Boom, we get dumped on. Short ranges, right? All these short ranges. Now, this is typical, right? Now, what can we learn from this? Well, we can learn that the news obviously is pumping us up and down like we had last week, right? So we have some news coming up this week, right? I can't remember what they are, but next video, I'll look into exactly what they are for you guys so you guys know. But go to www.economic, who says www? Anyways, go to economic calendar in Google and you can find it for yourself for your time zone and you can find out what's coming out, right? Negative news, typically bearish. Positive news, typically bullish, right? So can we get some bullish news that can bring us back up? Maybe, right? We can have that Santa Claus rally. Everybody's talking about that Santa Claus rally. This right here was very, very bearish, right? We came down. A lot of people have been riding this from up here. So I'm sure they went up and liquidated a whole bunch of people up here, right? and now they're continuing down. So bullish ideas is that we come back into this range and we flip this to support. So this box here, we flip this box into support, right? Can we get that? We'll have to wait. Bearish ideas is that we have another fake out with the same kind of thing. So now we got higher highs here, right? And we got lower lows down here, right? So this could be a divergence, right? We're getting a red on the 12, blood diamond on the 12, right? Now, we got to make sure that every time we come to the charts, we check different time frames. See, it's not on the 15, 9, red X, 8, and just flip through them. It doesn't take much time. There it is on the 7. There it is. So we've gotten a couple of prints, right, on different time frames. So that's pretty good confluence, right? Now we're going to be looking for, what are we looking for? Bear divs, right? So whenever you think of a bear, think about the top. Always look at the top for the bear divs, right? Whenever you're thinking of a bull, think from the bottom. So a bull, when it attacks, the horns go upwards. When the bear claws down, it paws you. You know what I mean? I'm Canadian. The bear claws you. Anyways, that's how I always remember. Bear divs down, bull divs from the bottom up, right? Because it bucks or whatever you call it. It's don't mess with the bull, you get the horns. You know what I mean? So can we get bull divs or can we get bear divs? Look for confluence. Look for it to come to levels, right? Boom. We had this marked out yesterday. Boom. Look, it came perfectly in, right? Look, boom, it came perfectly in. Boom, it came perfectly in, right? Yeah, a little wick here. But if you got in a short here and you rode this down, this is a beautiful profit, right? This is a nice little... Sorry, I'll do it from the box I drew. But it came up, boom, and you're down to here now. Boom, 1% gain, couple of leverage, you're good to go, right? So this is my ideas, is that we trade the levels, we trade the ranges. Right now, this is our range, right? Can we come up to the value area high, or do we come back down to test to the point of control, right? Do we come back down to here? So we have multiple options, multiple trading setups, but don't forget that together, my friends, we can figure this out. Together, as a community, I'll keep you updated on my thoughts. Ask any questions in the Discord. I'd be happy to answer them or give you a reference to somewhere where I know they can be answered. Someone today asked me about Elliott wave theory. Well, Cheeky Crypto does a very good Elliott wave theory, so you can learn from that. Like, we have resources. We have people who are very knowledgeable in the Discord, willing to help. Great community, lots of banter, lots of fun. So if you're interested, please join us in the Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate you all. I'm going to go and eat my cookies. Peace out. God bless. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.